anybody asking, she fits in the garage. Now it's not pulled in all the way, but we need to get rid of that. I really have not figured out why Ford still includes 15-foot antennas, but we're gonna chop that off. That's the only thing that hits my threshold coming in. So it bends back and flings forward when it comes in. So I have a Ronin factory, I think it's like a 3-inch stubby antenna. It was like 30 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get that installed. It should be a lot nicer. Again, I don't know why Ford, you know, especially in a 2013 truck, still puts these long antennas on, but we'll cut it down. Yeah, you know, some people might say, oh, you're gonna lose radio reception, this and that. I use XM and my iPhone, so realistically, I don't really listen to the radio, so I'm not too concerned about it. Either way, it's gonna make the truck look a heck of a lot better, just with that small little add-on. There you guys go. Super, super easy mod. Looks great. Way more modern than the stinking massive antenna. I mean, it's like, it's ridiculous. So I'm super happy, guys. Super cheap mod for the truck, like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, I think. You can get them cheaper on Amazon, I think. They're like 28 bucks or something. I'll have a link below to it. But again, it's a super simple mod. It's usually one of the first things I do to any one of my vehicles. Just looks heck of a lot nicer like that on the truck. That's short little modification number 1. Next install, we have a tailgate assist. Now this doesn't really apply to the Raptor, same with the first modification with the antenna, but if you have a later model, obviously the newer trucks mostly have these built in, but the little hydraulic arm for the tailgate assist, so the tailgate, when you pull it down, it just gently comes down, it doesn't slam down. So we're gonna get this installed. It's pretty easy. You just tap into one of the open screw holes on the bed, and then the other end attaches to the tailgate, and there you go, and pull that and connect it. So let's go get this guy installed. I mean, you guys can see here, if I open this, it wants to just fall down. So we're gonna tap into this guy right here, and then attach that strut to right here, and then you'll have a nice kind of strut that'll allow this to fall down. If I can let go, and it'll just fall down nice and easy. Right now, it's just kind of, it'll drop if I do that. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. Again, pretty straightforward. If you guys want to see a video to the actual technical install, I think I got that from Stage 3 Motorsport. They have a video that has it, so if you go to their product page and look it up, there's a complete how-to technical install. This is more for just the modifications, like the first couple things that I'm doing to my truck, especially being a new truck owner. What I'm doing right here is I'm attaching a nut insert in here, so I'm using this tool. I've tightened this nut in here, so I'm going to back this out, which will pull this piece out and should leave a nice sleeve in here that we can tap a ball head screw into, and that's where the tailgate assist is going to attach to here on the tailgate. So once this is pulled out here and untapped, you can see there's a nice little tap spot in there. So we'll go ahead and get that piece screwed on. There you have it, snug in there. Next step, just gonna pull this screw off and put a bracket in here. You'll see kind of how it's working there, and then that gives you a spot for the push rod to connect here and then down to here. Super simple stuff. Just wanted to show you again, brand new truck owner, but I'm putting some stuff on the truck that to me, just to make my life easier. If you guys have a newer truck, you probably already have something like this, like the tailgate assist, and you know, like you saw with the short antenna, you probably already have a short antenna or a non-existent antenna anyways. This is what we got attached on here. So the strut, the gas strut here, this is gonna attach from here down to here. And then hopefully when you drop the tailgate, it'll make everything a lot smoother, where I don't have to have the tailgate slam down and drop down. It'll kind of drop down nice and easy if all goes as planned. And now when you open the tailgate, no hands, comes down nice and easy. There you guys go. I'll have a link in the description below if you guys are looking to pick one up for your truck, but that's modification number 2. All right, guys, the final modification to modernize your truck is something that I think a lot of people oversee or overlook, and it's super simple. It's as simple as changing bulbs. So we're gonna go from standard incandescent traditional turn signal bulbs to nice bright LEDs that blink on and off again instead of kind of quickly fading on and off and kind of pulsing. LEDs are just on off, so they're really quick, really easy way to modernize your truck, especially if it's a little older. Most trucks and vehicles these days come with LEDs, LED running lamps that then switch over into amber kind of turn signals. So we're gonna go ahead and put them right here in the Raptor. They go right in down here. You guys will get the idea of what I'm saying here. I'll overlay on the screen right now kind of a video of how the turn signal is right now, and you'll see that slow kind of pulsing. So once you guys see that, then you can come back to this part of the video here and see the difference between the standard stock factory bulbs and new LEDs. I'm not gonna walk you through this, but for the Fords, if you guys have one of these Gen 1 style Raptors or any F-150, it's super easy. You take a screw off here, pull this out of the way, and there's 1, 2, and then a third screw, and then this just slides out and you can pop the bulb out. You guys get the idea. Right here is your turn signal bulb. Super, super easy. Just turn that, pop that out, and there's your old, very, very old style bulb that we're gonna replace here. So here's the new bulb. You can see same connector style, but a lot of LEDs here on the side. This is the amber one. So again, super simple. You just pull this bulb out of here, plug this guy in, plug everything back in, and you should be good to go. Side-by-side comparison. Should be pretty bright. Obviously the LED sticks out a little further, but you're not gonna notice it once in the housing. There you guys have it, pretty straightforward. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. I like the look of it. Just again, that quick on off, very kind of modern style. You can do this with taillights, you can do this with headlights, all sorts of stuff. If you guys have like kind of the older 4300K yellow bulbs and you want to kind of maybe make your headlights a little more white or a little more hue, there's all sorts of options. I got these bulbs from Diode Dynamics. Make sure you guys check them out. They're really nice bulbs, super easy customer support. I've used them in the past with all my other cars for like license plate bulbs, puddle lights, all sorts of stuff. They're pretty much my go-to for anything LED kind of converting. So make sure you guys check them out. But yeah, hopefully you guys see the difference. Hopefully you guys like it. I think it'll be just a nice small touch. These are just the little things, again, that I like to do to kind of modernize my cars if they're, you know, a couple of years behind. But hopefully this helps you guys out. You don't have to follow this to a T. Some of you guys might not even think any of this are modifications. But again, they're just small little touches. That's kind of how I work, to really kind of just take your truck to the next level or take your vehicle to the next level. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you check me out on Instagram at Sowers. Plenty of Raptor content posted there and McLaren stuff if you guys have seen that lurking in the background. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys give this video a nice big thumbs up. Make sure you click that red subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next one.